Hi, I'm Mike from Textiles, and today I'm going to give a brief overview of the remotes and wall switches that are available for the Evaglide motorised curtain tracks and blinds. With our remote options, we have 4 types of remotes available in 2 styles. The first style is our standard remote, and this is the single channel. With this remote, we have a close, a stop and an open button. There is only one channel, but you can program up to 20 motors to this channel. The next remote option is a single channel with timer. This again has the close, stop and open, but also has a left and right, which will allow you to change your settings when it comes to the time and the timer. This again will allow 20 motors to be paired to this channel, but can also set a timer. The next remote option is the 5-channel timer. As the previous remote, this has a stop, open and close, and a left and right. The left and right will change channels, allowing you to program 20 motors to each channel, but also has a group channel, which will activate everything on every channel. And again, you have a time and a timer setting. The final remote is a 15-channel remote. 15-channel remote again has the stop, open and close buttons, channel left and right, which allows you to program through the channels. Rather than having a timer, this is just a straightforward remote with open, stop and close functions, but it also has a channel 0 which will act as a group. So you can program 20 motors to each channel, and then this will activate all channels at once. The final 2 products are the wall switches. These are available in the deluxe finish as the previous remotes, and are available with a single channel wall switch with an open, stop and close, whereas a 15 channel with an open, stop, close, channel minus and plus, and also an instant group channel. That will allow you to change through the channels or turn instantly to the group channel 0. Again, you can pair 20 motors to each channel, with this allowing you to operate 15 channels of 20 motors. Thank you. Both the remotes and the wall switches are supplied with batteries. The battery for the remote will be inside the back cover, which can be slid down and removed, and then you will remove a little plastic tag to activate the battery. The wall switch has a little cover that needs to be opened, and the battery will be placed inside, slid down, and then the cover replaced. They're also both available with the back plate that can be attached to the wall to allow the remote or wall switch to be magnetically placed upon these for storage on the wall.